Word day today. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have the word biyabırçılıq. Biyabırçılıq. Biyabırçılıq is disgrace, scandal, shame. Let's see some phrases. A public disgrace, cause a scandal, deep shame. İctimai BİYABIRÇILIQ. Biyabırçılıq actually is a derived word, comes from the word biyabır, shame. Okay. İctimai BİYABIRÇILIQ, İctimai is public. Cause a scandal, biyabırçılıq, yaratmaq. Yaratmaq actually means to create. In this case, to cause it. Dərin BİYABIRÇILIQ, deep shame. Let's take a look at some sentences. Bu hadisə böyük biyabırçılığıdı. Or, you want to sound like native? Bu hadisə böyük biyabırçılığıdı. See what happened? I'll tell you. This event was a big disgrace. Bu hadisə, this event. Event. Böyük biyabırçılığıdı was a big disgrace. Now, see böyük, we write, we say böyüy. Biyabırçılıq, we write, we say biyabırçılıq sound at the end. So natives say bu hadisə böyük biyabırçılığıdı. Is as if you either skip böyük, that is, it turns to böyüy. You skip the y because there is already y. It's kind of böyüy, doesn't flow. Böyüy biyabırçılığıdı. Watch. Bu hadisə böyük biyabırçılığıdı. See how it happened? Let's see another one. Yolun ortasındakı biyabırçılıq hamını hiddətləndirdi. See what happened? Biyabırçılıq. You will hear some people saying biyabırçılıq also. Now, let's see the translation. The disgrace in the middle of the road angered everyone. Time to break it apart. Yol, road, yolun, of the road, ortasındakı, in the middle. Orta is the middle, ortasında in the middle, ortasındaki the one in the middle. Biyabırçılıq, we know it, disgrace, hamını hiddətləndirdi, angered everyone. Now, biyabırçılıq, biyabırçılıq, biyabırçılıq. That's the types that you will hear. That was today's word where we used it in Azerbaijani phrases and sentences. There's another one for you. Who would have guessed that a team meeting could end in biyabırçılıq? All right? Make sure to come back tomorrow to finish the week with new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com if you want to find out how to learn Azerbaijani easier, more efficient and fun way. Cheers.